Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your build and inventory, prioritize perception and luck, and equip a metal detector if available. Next, clear nearby industrial locations methodically. You want radiators, wiring, and other electronics for scrapping. Once done, consolidate junk into one character or stash to streamline scrapping. Make sure to carry scrap kits and spend a quick minute sorting to avoid weight penalties. This speeds up the process and maximizes your black titanium yield from salvaging components. Now you build an efficient loop. Hit an industrial zone, then a robotics lab, and finish at crashed ship or train wreck sites. While moving, prioritize loot pickup, electronics, and high-tier machinery. Once you return to a workbench, scrap everything with salvage perks active to boost black titanium yields. Make sure to kill and loot robots and scorched for extra components. Their drops often convert into black titanium when scrapped. Repeat the loop and adjust route to minimize downtime. Finish by returning to a high-tier workbench and scrapping all collected electronics so they convert to black titanium. You should deposit surplus into your stash and, if necessary, transfer between characters to prevent storage caps from halting progress. If your yields are unexpectedly low, switch servers and rerun the route. Recheck that salvage and scavenging perks are equipped, and ensure you're scrapping the correct items. One troubleshooting tip: if conversion fails, double-check you're using a proper workbench and not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.